James train, entry 30.
How organised is that? That's fantastic.
Ah, thank you.
Thank you very much for the opportunity Oh, that's nice, dude.
Okay. Welcome back, guys. Today I'm on the Central Coast in Brisbane waters. I'm fishing my first Hobie round. A bit nervous, excited, but I have low expectations, so I'm not expecting much. I'm just gonna try to get my bag and that's it. So once I do that, that's a tick. So just going through my first spot. It's I'm going to be fishing some marinas with plastics with the Eco Gear Bream prawn. I'm going to throw the Daiwa bait junkie flicks in bloodworm, and I'll probably work my way around boat holes and some rocky edges and bottoms, and I don't know, I'm going to wing it a bit. I do have a plan, but you know, plans sometimes change. So look, I'm happy just to be out here fishing, and yeah, fishing my first Hobie round, so excited. So if you haven't noticed yet, I'm actually on a new kayak, a new Outback. So it's a 2024 Dobyns camo, got it from PWS. James Patrick was kind enough to put me out and sort me out, and actually I traded in my 2019 Outback for it. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. I like the colour, and yeah, the drive is really nice and really smooth, soft. Definitely better than my old one, so I think it's an upgrade. So yeah, hopefully it gives me some luck and I catch some fish as well. So yep, come on, yes. First fish. Oh, it's Bream too, yes. Good Bream. Yes! First Bream of the Hobie comp, yes! Yes! I can't believe it. There's Bream. It's a decent one too. On the Flicks bloodworm. 480 grams. Got my first fish. No donuts. Hopefully it's alright. It's swimming on its side a bit, so I didn't keep it out of the water that long. So I'm not sure. Maybe it's just stressed out, so I'm just gonna, I pumped it quite a bit of water. Hopefully it turns alright. I'm gonna check it in a few minutes, see how it is. So 52 hours already. Had one hit and then one fish off the boat hole on the livewell bait junkie flick in bloodworm. So I got them on a unweighted, I'm not unweighted, so hidden weight jig head. I think it's 116 and size 1/0. So yeah. So it's actually also the first time I'm actually using this live well on the water. So I tested it a few times at home, and even the girls tested it as well for me in the backyard. But yeah, it's doing alright. It's just that I can't leave it on running constantly. It starts filling up, so I think I might have to buy a weighted pump. But yeah, it's alright. The fish is happy. Because when I first caught him, he wasn't out of the water for that long. I just unhooked him, weighed him, and chucked him in. And as soon as I chucked him in, he was swimming sideways. Got me worried because it's my first fish on the Hobie around, and I didn't want him to be dying, you know. So I ran the water constantly. I was swimming him, and after probably 5 to 10 minutes, he started swimming upright and facing down. Like, alright, I'll just leave it alone now. So close the lid. Fish for like around 20 minutes. Looked at it. Looks happy now. Moving to another section. I'm going to be fishing boat holes again with the dive flick, and I think I'm catching up here to Cisco. So Cisco, he's a local. He lives in St. David's Island. So looks like he's fishing rack here. Let's go by and say hello to him. Yeah, I got one. I got one and missed one. You got any? Not yet? It's tough. I got him on the boat holes.
I think I'm gonna switch to the atomic, dude.
Atomic? Hey man, leave my atomics alone, mate. They're mine.
Oh yeah? You bought the company or what?
Nah. I'm gonna do the blading up there near the bridge later. So there's
which bridge? The Rip Bridge?
The Rip one, yeah.
Moving hard, bro. It's
yeah.
gonna start moving hard in about an hour.
Yeah, so I'm gonna fish that half an hour, 40 minutes, and I'm gonna start
all
getting
the way
back.
Down there?
Yeah. What are you gonna do? You gonna keep fishing this, or you wanna come?
I'll go.
Yeah, come with?
Yeah.
All right. Looks like I got a partner in crime.
I'll roll.
Let's do it. I gotta be careful. There's a lot of submerged, unused, I guess, oyster poles. Oh, there's the hit. There you go. I'm on. It's a Bream. Now it's a flatty. Ah, flatty. 30 tip, 28 fork. Not a big fish, but let's measure him. Mitt. Oh, missed it. Oh yeah, I'm still on. Yes, still on. Yes, he came back. Yes. This feels like a big fish. Yes, I got my bag. I'm happy. Yes, got my bag. Yes. Yes! Yes! Oh shit, I'm gonna hit this bait. Yes! Got my bag. Daiwa bait junkie, bloodworm. Doing the damage. Let's have a look. Look at that. Pop that out. There you go. Look at that. Third fish. Yes. Yes. Let's have a look. 29. Let's put this guy in. It's my bag. Yes! I'm very happy. Yes! First Hobie comp, got my bag. I'm happy. That's it. Happy days. Now it's just upgrading. Definitely just yes, good one. That's a good one. Oh no, it's alright. Alright. It is alright. It is alright. It looks bigger than 26. And my first upgrade. So look. It is 30 and a half. Yep, let's throw the other one out. That's not good. just threw the smallest one out, and the one that I replaced, she's starting to bleed now. So, that's a funny. Look. Oh, it's a Bream. Took it right at the kayak. It's a replacement. He might be the replacement. At him. Say 380, 390. No. Yep. Oh, that's a good fish. I don't know what that is. I hope that's a Bream. It feels like a Bream. That's a good fish. Oh my god, I don't think that's a Bream. I don't think that's a Bream. That ran weird. On the second hop too. Bring it up slowly. I'm not trying to put too much pressure because it seems like when you put a lot of pressure, they start running more. This, I don't know what this is. I honestly don't know. It's not going in circles like a trevally. It's heavy though. It's heavy. I'm hoping this is a Bream. See my leader. Please be silver. Please be silver, because if it is, it's a decent Bream. I won't be putting the hooks on. Taking my time, because there's times where I got excited and I put the hooks. So I couldn't, after getting this kayak, I couldn't afford a power pole, so I'm still using my garden stake pole, which worked alright. I only used it once actually, and I just built my own livewell. I actually saw one cheap on Facebook, but I was a little bit too late. I was the second guy to contact the seller. He had someone coming to look at it the next day, and I knew straight away it was going to get sold. It was just too cheap. It was like half price. So anyway, I built my own one. I had some parts from my previous livewell, which I built, and I tried using it for bass fishing, but I only used it like I think twice, once for bass and once for Bream. Anyway, so Anaconda had a sale, and they had this really good sale at Christmas, and they had this esky, this 35-litre esky, for like 40 bucks, 50 bucks or something. So I bought two. Awesome deal, because they're like $200. So anyway, I got a pump. You can barely see it, hold on. Got a pump, got a primer. I gotta fix this, I gotta seal that properly. And I got my battery in here. Usually my old setup, I had the battery stuck onto the actual unit, but it didn't have rod holders. So I want rod holders, so I had to separate it. I didn't want to put the battery at the back of the esky. So yeah, it works well. Does okay. Look at that. Fish are happy. Drain pipe. So yeah, it does the job. So I'm pretty much heading back now. It's 1:30. I don't think I'm going to fish. I might throw the blade a bit around near the limit. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to fish. I'm just going to hand my tag in. I'm happy with my 3. I think it's like 1.3, 1.4 kilos. Nothing to brag about. But hey, my first bag in a Hobie comp, I'm very happy with it. My aim was to give the Hobie round a go and to get my bag. Oh, dude, I'm gonna pole myself. Hey? I'm poling myself. Hey, mate. Hey, mate. You need help spots for a sec? Yeah. Just so I can get up. I'll see if I'm strong enough there.
All right, following on, I believe, is James Tran. Coming up, James. That's it. Get rid of as much water in the tub as you can. Well done, lads. All right, so with a 3 next to your name, mate, that is the aim of the game. So 3 fish each day to be able to get your full bag limit. But how was the day?
Yeah, it was good.
Not too bad?
Not too bad.
Yep.
My first event, so yeah.
Mate, it's great to see as many new faces at these as we can. Are you likely to be able to do the Sydney event with us in a few weeks?
No, I can't. My daughter's birthday, so I can't.
Well, no, don't miss that, buddy. Don't miss that. But, mate, great to see 3 for you on your first event here on the first day. Rocking away at 1.29 kilos. Currently has you in second, James. Yep. Let's see if we can keep you up in that top 10.
Thank you.
Good on you, buddy. Ta.
Get hold of something? Yeah.
Thanks for that.
No drama.
Thank you.
Like it's not a kilometre. Oh man.
Yes. Nice meeting you, mate. I hope so. Just want to get my bag, I'm happy. I'll be happy.
All right.
Man, I'm so game. like, oh, like I'm trying to stay still.
Okay,
Sorry? I got my break, yeah. Oh my gosh! More flatties.
Yeah, buckle bar. It's gonna wrap me around a pole. Yep. Yep. Yep.
Oh! Yes, come on. First fish. Yes. Yes, first bream. Come on, very nice. Yeah. Oh, he might be legal. Jeez. Oh. No donuts. Donut saver, maybe. Let's have a look. Oh my gosh. That was tough. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Right on the corner of the mouth too. I think it's too small. Let's have a look. Please be my first. Oh my god, you might fall short. Oh no, 26. 26. Right on the tip. I'll take it. Yep. Yes. Yes, on. Nice one. Nice one. It's a nice one. Yes. Oh no. What is that? EP. Ah, damn it. Thought it was a nice fish and I saw it was green. I was like, that's not right. Oh man. How big that is. I didn't think these guys were around the bloody jetties. Look at that. Look at a big EP. How big is he? I wish I can weigh him in. He's like 3 kilos. 35 fork. Far out.